oh come Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel. The moons, oh, rejoice, 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 oh, rejoice. Hi, my name is Shanna Manjaro. I'm 12 years old. I'm a gospel musician and I am in class 6. Well, I am a musician, yes, and a student at the same time, and also a host of a TV show. And yeah, I just have to balance all of them. I started doing music when I was like just here and there, when I was around 3 and before. But professionally, I started when I was 9. Well, my first song took quite a long time because there were actually many outfits and I'm actually wearing one of them right now. As you can see, it's grown short. And it took quite a long time because there were many different outfits that needed to be used, and like we weren't experienced in the music industry that much, so we took long. And then my first audition, I don't really remember it nicely, but I remember I was struggling. I was like, how do I act? Because, okay, there's this thing called Kenya Music Festivals, which is quite different, very different, what am I saying? Very different from like normal acting. So when I did KMF, but then it's like I brought the KMF like acting to the audition type of acting. So it took a ton. Yeah. I wake up in the morning, I go to do my chores because I do chores, and then I do school or class, virtual learning from 9:30 to 12. And then once I'm done with that, I go and shower, I go eat my lunch, and then I can practice singing and ride my bike, anything after that. Well, I shot it at different locations. So, we didn't take that long actually doing that video. I know that sounds weird, but it has many different scenes. And then for the outfit, we just picked something from like a nice, cool looking outfit from the wardrobe. Yeah, and then we didn't take that long. We didn't. It was actually very fun. I'm not planning to, for now, I'm doing like singles. Just get the hang of releasing like one by one, and then I can maybe do an album. I didn't write the song, my dad did, but I am planning on writing my own songs. Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is a night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and never pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. The thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh hear the angels' voices, oh night divine, oh night when Christ was born, oh night divine, oh night divine, oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is a night of our dear Savior's birth. Lord, laid the world in sin and never pardoning, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. Oh, the thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Oh, fall on your knees, oh hear the angels' voices, oh night divine, oh night when Christ was born, oh night divine, oh night divine. For now, we are focusing on a Christmas song. But then, apart from that, I probably will release my own song next year. Yeah, because we're like at the end of the year. You should keep your hopes right in the middle. 50-50. But we are most likely going to release a Christmas song, because like Christmas spirit. Yeah. Well, since I started like a little music, like my passion for music when I was around 3 years old, there's actually an interesting story to that. We were actually in a restaurant and it was Sunday after church. Some of us were hungry, so we went to a restaurant to eat, and we already ordered our food. The food came, we started eating, and then I just randomly said, I want to sing on the stage. I want to go and sing on the stage. So I kept on saying that. My parents kept on saying, no, sit down, keep quiet. And it went on and on and on until I just started singing my tiny little piece in my quiet voice. And then I kept on making it louder and louder until they kept on saying, Shana, shh, eat your food. Until I just ignored them, stood up on my chair and started singing. My chair was my stage, yes. And from there, my parents just helped me grow my talents and saw that I had a passion for music. And then we released our first music video, and now I'm here in my 8th music video. Yeah. I would say don't give up on your talent. Don't hide it. Number one, it'll help you. Sometime or another, it'll help you. And then number two, if you already know what your talent is and you're not afraid, just ask for some support first from your family. Ask your family to help you find a producer and director. Release your first song. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can be just over there. But even if you love singing, make sure you love it. Because like if you don't like doing something, you won't do it as nicely. Jesus loves you, He cares for you, He'll always serve you through thick and thin. Jesus loves you, He cares for you, He's always closer than a brother or sister. Don't forget to watch LTN Sunday School every Sunday. You will not regret it.